Hey guys, it's Bunnies and welcome back to another video. Oh my god, it feels like it has been so long since I have said that because it's been like 3 months. Hi! I have some coffee. It is 4:36 and your girl, I'm not gonna lie, I think I just spent the last hour and a half sitting on the couch doing absolutely nothing. Too tired to get up, too tired to go to sleep. So decided to have coffee and record a YouTube video. I hope you guys are having the best day ever. I have missed you guys so much and there's so much to catch you guys up on, by the way. So today we're gonna do a little unboxing, a little haul, baby haul. It's my first ever YouTube baby haul. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna freak out. Now, quick update if you guys don't know already, I am 23. I'm 23 weeks pregnant. I'm big, I'm huge. We're having a baby boy. And I may have gone shopping on the registry because some stuff was on sale. So I was like, oh, why not? Now, if you guys don't know, when you build a registry, you get like 15% off, like right before your due date. But this was like 70% off, 30% off, 25% off. So I was like, might as well get it anyways, you know? So today we're gonna be going over some of the stuff I got a little baby boy who is so big now because honestly, his kicks are like freaking Ronaldo's kicks. Here's the whole box of baby stuff that just came in the mail from Babylist, which is the registry we're going through. So I have so many different brands. I have so much cute stuff to show you guys. I am so excited, and honestly the prices on these are insane, and I think it's still on sale. So if anybody is expecting or a baby shower to go to or something like this, I will be telling you guys how much I got all this for, or like each item for, with the discount and how much they normally are. I shouldn't promise that, but I'm gonna try to put it on the screen. So we were waiting until I was about, well, until we knew the gender for sure, because I think that was at 5 months. So we wanted to make sure before we bought him all this like boy stuff, or just in general all this stuff, that it was a boy, because we had an idea that it was a boy. So we did the NIPT test, which confirmed that which said it was a boy, and then we got confirmation with the anatomy scan. I'm not gonna lie, I had pregnancy brain for a second. Look how cute these are. The first thing I'm gonna show you guys is the Burt's Bees wearable blankets. I got him 2. Now these are both in the size medium, which is for when he's 6 to 12 months. Burt's Bees is like one of the clothing brands I've been really gravitating to. Honestly, I think he has the most Burt's Bees clothes out of any other clothing brand, because they do 100% organic cotton clothes, which is what I'm going for. I'm going for full 100% cotton only, and if it's organic, honestly, even better. Look at the little honeybee pattern. It's so cute. He actually has a onesie in this pattern as well, and his nursery theme is going to be like storybook Winnie the Pooh, so I thought this would just be like so on theme. It's just so cute. It actually feels like it's like long enough for me. I'm not even joking. But this one doesn't have any like little arms or anything like that. He can fully put his little arms out of it. I have to wash all of his clothes anyway, so I'm just gonna be putting them like right here, so that way I can take all the tags off and throw them in the laundry ASAP. Then I got him the same size, same brand and everything. It's just in a different pattern. Look at this little star pattern. You guys, and it's so cute. Hold on, there's stars, but then in the stars there's like little bees. How adorable is that? I love this for him. I don't know why I'm putting up to me like I'm gonna be wearing it, but honestly this feels humongous for like a 6 month to a year old. I think it's making me realize how little I am, because like, excuse me. Next thing I got are these little gloves. Look at how adorable these are, you guys. They're from Carter's. They're a little 3-pack of mittens. There's just 3 little colors, but look how little the hand is. Seen everywhere that like baby nails are insanely sharp. I feel like you don't realize how small, or at least maybe like it's just me, how small babies are until you start looking at like this. Like, dude, I can put just maybe I could put 3 fingers in here, but like their whole little hand is supposed to go in here, which I actually really love the neutrals for him. Okay, and then those were, I'm pretty sure, on like a really good sale, so I got him a second pair, but in blue, like a little 3-pack of blue. How cute are these? Okay, let's take these out. Now, one thing about baby clothes I'm finding out is that they put so many tags and so many stickers everywhere that it's like, if you're in the middle of doing it, you might as well just untag and unstick everything while you can, because, oh, I just threw away a glove. Because then it like goes by so much faster. So here's the little cream color. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. And then here's his little blue color. They're so cute. And then here's the light blue color, which almost looks like white, I feel like, in the camera, but it is like a really soft baby boy blue. So don't mind my nails. I did them like 2 weeks ago, and they need to be done. Honestly, so do my toes, but I can't reach my toes anymore. I can't reach my feet, and I'm freaked out to go to the nail salon, so I don't know what to do. Next thing we got is a little 5-pack of onesies from Small Story. Now these are newborn onesies. Okay, let me show you guys. Look at how cute and little this little one piece is. Now, he's not going to be a newborn in the winter. His due date's in May, but our house, we keep it like pretty chilly in here. At least to me, I'm always cold. My husband's always hot. So I wanted to get him something where like if we're inside, he's not super cold, because baby's body's like can't regulate their temperature very well. So this is also, I believe, 100% cotton. Not I believe, I know it's 100% cotton because I bought it. Yes, it's 100% organic cotton. Adorable. And I cannot believe he's gonna be this little. And then they do have like the little sleeves where you can fold it over their little hands so they don't scratch themselves. And then there's one that's like a more solid brown. It kind of like matches almost vibes. My heart right now. I just, ugh. And then we got this one, which is a really cute little like heather gray. And then there's also this like darker gray. I don't know if this really looks gray to you guys, but it is. It's like a dark gray. Then I got him these little Carter towels with like little hood on them. Now these are not 100% cotton. They are one size though, but they're 85% cotton and 15% polyester for the body. And then the binding is 100% cotton. I honestly don't know which part is which for the cotton versus the polyester part, but let me show you guys how cute this is. This is like a little koala theme. Tell me that is not the cutest little like pattern for a little baby. Oh my gosh. And the koala bear has a little baby koala bear too. Oh my gosh. I love the little hoods because when my nephew was a baby, he used to love putting the hood on. Like he would love it when we put the hood on him. And then as he got older, he would always like put the hood on himself. So that's why I got the little hood. But this one's even cuter, you guys. Look at the little koala hood. Has little like ears. Do koalas have ears like this? Yeah, they do, right? Okay. I have little ears, and then it's like the little face. So when it's like on him, it'll be like a little koala. A couple little towels. I got 2 packs of the Burt's Bees baby washcloths in the exact same pattern because they were on sale. Now these are 100% organic cotton. Look at how cute it is. It's like little, did I say baby ducks? Little chicks, I guess. My bad. Is that a chick or a duck? I don't, that's a little chick. Is that a little chick? That's a little duck. Okay, I feel like I'm having like a Jessica Simpson tuna of the sea, chicken of the sea moment. And there's just a regular yellow one. And then there's a yellow and white striped one. Then the next thing we got is this sweetie strap little Binky pacifier clip. It's just a very neutral color. This is just so like you can clip it on their shirt and then put their pacifier on it. And then if they like spit their pacifier out, it won't go on the ground, you know? Now, to be honest, I was like very opposed to having pacifiers or binkies, noochies, whatever you call them. I was definitely not, like, in my head I was like, absolutely not. But I feel like I need to just have a couple things just in case, like, you know, we need it. You know, I don't want him to use a binky or a pacifier. I didn't use a pacifier, but I also seen somewhere that said babies who use pacifiers have a decreased chance of SIDS, which I don't know how accurate that is, but if that is the thing, then put that pacifier right on in his mouth. But this is what it looks like. It's like silicone. It's just a little neutral color. I thought it was really cute. Okay, now these next two items are like my big, to me, like my big deals. Like, oh my god, I cannot, what a steal. I got 2 Solly baby wraps because I really want to baby wear him like 24/7. I feel like I'm gonna be one of those crazy moms where like he's gonna always be on me, and like someone's gonna come over and be like, oh, can I see the baby? And I'm like, oh, I'm sorry, he's busy on me. I'm gonna be so selfish with the baby, but in all seriousness, I do want to baby wear him a lot. So I wanted to get the Solly babies because I've heard the Solly baby wrap, because I heard such good things on like TikTok about him, and they are not a cheap wrap. They're like $70 a wrap, and to me, like, I put it on my registry because I was like, oh, like maybe if somebody wants to buy it, that would be nice. But I did have a cheaper option, which I was kind of like more on the line. The cheaper option I think was like $30, but certain colors from Babylist were on sale for $30. So I snagged both colors. I did not care. This is made out of 100% biodegradable Tencel modal. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not too sure what Tencel modal is. This is the pattern that we got. I can't really tell if this is black or navy, to be honest, but it's just like a striped black and white material, which I think would be really cute depending on like where you're at or where you're going. I feel like this would be like so nice for the beach, because like imagine you're in like a black bikini or something and then you're wearing like this. Like that would match so cute. So because it was on sale, I got another one just in case like it got dirty or something. So here is the Solly baby wrap I got for $30. I think something around there. I'll actually put the price on there. But it's this like really pretty brown color. I thought this was so pretty. I actually bought the striped one first, and I put the order in, and then when I was done putting it in and I put the whole order in, shipped and everything, I saw that this color was on sale too, and I was so upset. I was like, oh no. So I ended up getting this color in a second order. But here it is. I think this is such a pretty brown color. Oh my god, I love this color. And then, oh, this was like a splurge buy, not a splurge, spontaneous buy. I wasn't gonna get it, but I seen it was on sale and it was so cheap that I was like, I might as well. It's a little rattler for his car seat. So it just goes like right on his car seat like that, and it dangles, and then he can just like play with it, pull on it, hit it, whatever. Now I don't know if this is something babies actually like or are going to like, but I literally paid like $2 for it. So I was like, I might as well. You know, it has like the little crinkly rattle obviously, and then it has the little plastic things you can like hold on to. I felt like it kind of went with like the Winnie the Pooh theme, because even though it's not Winnie the Pooh, it is still like foresty vibes, you know? And these are both from the same brand, by the way. They're from the brand Itsy Ritzy. And then last but not least for this box, I'm actually very excited for this. This is a little bath flower. And I got him this gray one because I was like, oh, that's more like boyish. But I wish I would have gotten him like the colored one. There's like one that has like a, I think it's like yellow, which I wish I would have gotten that because it's honestly so much cuter. I feel like this is very like, but it was like $20. And and I think it was $20 and it's normally $30 or something. I don't know, I'll put the price somewhere here, but it's a blooming bath. So basically you put it in your sink, like your kitchen sink, and you can give the baby a bath there. We have like a big, is it farm style sink, where it's just like one big open sink, and to me, putting him in the sink like that, it's just like, I don't really like the idea of it. So I got him this big old flower, this little bath flower, so I could put that in the sink and then bathe him if I want that option. The last thing I got, which I'm not gonna open right now, we did get his mattress, which we got the Newton mattress and the Newton bassinet. We got both. And the bassinet's gonna go in our room because we plan to like have him sleep in our room until he gets a bit older, and then obviously we have his mattress for his crib, but I'm waiting until he's like way closer to like actually start unpacking those, just like so they don't get dust and stuff on him. Also, we haven't gotten his crib and bedroom set yet, so we're working on that, so we have nowhere to put his mattress, but we decided to go with the Newton, which I'm very excited for. I actually kind of wanted to get the Newton playpen as well. If you guys have like any experience or any thoughts on that, please let me know. But we got the Newton bassinet and the Newton mattress. Also, I am out of breath from carrying this. I was gonna bring the bassinet in here to show you guys, but honestly, it is too heavy for me to be picking up. That is everything that I have gotten the baby so far. So we are still obviously in the works of getting everything else and preparing his nursery and all of that. So I am so excited, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. I know it's way different than the unboxings I normally do, but like this is my life right now, honestly. Hello, this is my life right now. It's basically everything is literally about the baby right now. I've been nesting a lot. I've been trying to get his nursery done, getting his baby registry done. I just finished like his baby registry. I have no idea what we're doing for the baby shower. It's like, it almost feels like I'm planning a wedding all over again, but like crazier. So this is again like my life. So I thought instead of just not posting YouTube videos, I would show you guys what's going on in my life now. And I've been thinking about doing like little vlogs, like weekly vlogs of the pregnancy, the update and stuff. So let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in, or if you guys like that idea. I know we're like literally done with the pregnancy almost, so, but I thought it could still be fun because the first trimester of my pregnancy was just not it. First trimester of my pregnancy was really hard, so that's why I haven't really been posting YouTube videos and stuff. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to hit that sub button to join the family. And if you guys have any like recommendations of anything or any brands that you guys love or think I should put on my registry or I should pick up myself, please let me know. It does not have to just be for the baby. It could be like postpartum stuff. It could be stuff for me at the hospital, because I have no idea what to put in like my hospital bag. It's a little bit too soon to be talking about hospital bags, but still, just to like, I'm a planner, so I try to get ahead of everything. So yeah, if you guys have anything that you think would be great for me to know, please feel free to comment them. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.